Thermal printer. Minus feed assembly. A thermal printer is a specialized device that uses heat instead of ink or toner to create an image on paper. As a technician, you will most frequently encounter these in retail environments as receipt printers or in shipping departments as label printers. They are prized for being incredibly fast, quiet, and having very few moving parts to break. How thermal printing works. There are two primary types of thermal printing technology. Direct thermal, this is what most receipt printers use. The paper itself is chemically treated and turns black when heated. It is cost-effective because it requires no ink, but the print is sensitive to light and heat. If you leave a direct thermal receipt on a hot car dashboard, it will turn completely black. Thermal transfer. This is used for long-lasting labels. A heated printhead melts a wax or resin ribbon onto the paper or plastic label. This print is extremely durable and can withstand chemicals, sunlight, and moisture. The feed assembly. The feed assembly in a thermal printer is simpler than in a laser or inkjet printer, but it is much more critical for precision. Because thermal printers often use continuous rolls of paper or labels rather than individual sheets, the timing of the feed must be perfect to ensure the text lines up correctly. 1. The platen roller. This is a high-friction rubber cylinder located directly underneath the printhead. It serves two purposes. The anvil. It provides a hard, flat surface for the printhead to press against, ensuring even contact across the entire width of the paper. The motor drive. It is connected to a stepper motor that pulls the paper through the printer in microscopic increments. 2. The pressure spring and latch. The printhead is held against the platen roller by a strong spring. A technician must ensure the latch is fully closed. If the pressure is uneven, the print will look faded on one side. If the pressure is too high, it can cause the motor to strain and eventually burn out. 3. Media sensors, gap and black mark. Because label rolls have gaps between each label, the feed assembly includes optical sensors. Gap sensor. It shines a light through the paper to see the transparent gap between labels, telling the printer exactly where to stop feeding so it doesn't print across the split. Black mark sensor, used for solid media that has a black line printed on the back. The sensor detects the reflection of the black mark to calibrate the page length. Maintenance for the technician. Cleaning the printhead. Over time, the chemically treated paper leaves a waxy residue on the printhead. This acts as an insulator, preventing heat from reaching the paper and causing faint or streaky prints. A technician should clean the head with a specialized thermal cleaning pen or a lint-free swab soaked in 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol. Platen roller cleaning. If labels get stuck and wrap around the roller, the adhesive will ruin the friction. Use alcohol to clean the rubber until it is tacky again. Never use a knife or screwdriver to scrape a label off the roller, as a single tiny nick in the rubber will cause a permanent white spot on every receipt or label. Sensor dusting. Paper dust from the edges of the rolls can coat the optical sensors, leading to out-of-paper errors even when the roll is full. A quick blast of compressed air is usually enough to fix this. Comparison summary for TTS. Consumables. Direct thermal needs only special paper. Thermal transfer needs paper and a ribbon. Moving parts. Only one main motor and one roller, making them much more durable than inkjet printers. Common failure. A dirty printhead or a scarred platen roller from a technician using sharp tools.